Replacement charts are typically used to keep track of potential internal candidates for the firm's most critical positions. So these charts are usually used for the promotions of your internal candidates. That with one glance or with one click, you can get to know which person should be promoted to the next level. So let's just understand how to use these replacement charts. First of all, you need to understand this key that we have already created so we can understand how to use this chart. So in this key, it is divided into two types of datas. Now, what is this telling us? That what is the present performance of an employee? If you get this kind of sign, the performance is outstanding. If there's this kind of sign, the performance is satisfactory. And if there is this kind of sign, the performance needs improvement. So this is about the performance which you have got from your performance appraisal from last 2, 3, 4, or 5 years. The next thing to understand is that you also have to look at other trainings and everything, and based on that, you're saying if the person is capable of the promotion. So promotion potential is ready now if you have this sign. Needs further training if you have this sign. And if the promotion is questionable, you will have this sign. Now, let's use these signs and know who can be promoted to what level. Let's suppose we have a president and he or she has to retire, or he resigns, or the president is no more. So who is the person who can easily be promoted from these levels to this level, to the president level? So using these keys, we can easily identify that what person and what kind of person can be promoted. So let's just look at the people who have the outstanding performance. So who has the outstanding performance from here? This person, and this person. So these three have the outstanding performance. Now let's also look at who is ready to be promoted to the next level. So we need to look at this sign. So this sign is there with this person, and these two. But the problem is now we have to see which person has the ready now potential to be promoted and also has the outstanding performance. So we are down to these two people, this person and this person. But let's see, we have another indicator, which is this 59 and 60. And consider that this is the age of the employee. And let's suppose your policies of retirement says that you have to retire a person at the age of 60, and this person is already in the 60th year. So what you have to do is you have to see who is a possible potential candidate for the president's position. So if we look at these two people, I think this person will be able to be promoted to the president level because he has the age of 59, he is ready to be promoted, and he has the outstanding performance. In the same way, if we have to look at these things and who should be promoted to the next level, so we can clearly see that this person is ready to be promoted and has the outstanding performance. So this person can be promoted to the next level. So this is how you use your replacement charts when you have to deal with the promotions. Next, we have to talk about the succession plans. Now, in the succession plans, many people are confused about the real function of succession planning. So there are two things important. First, that it is the forecasting of availability of the inside candidate, which means it is your own employee who's already working with you. And secondly, it is done for the most important executive positions. Mostly it is done for family businesses. For example, if there's a business of some food or something, the recipe is one of the key areas, and then maybe the financials is one of the key areas. So what you will do, you will promote somebody from inside, preferably from one of your family members. So preferably your family member will take the succession position. But nowadays, it's not about the family anymore. It used to be for the family that your elder son or your son is going to take, or your daughter is going to take some position, some key position in an organization. But now it's not like that. Now it is done for all kind of employees. But remember that it is done for the internal candidate and for most important executive positions.